What's up, guys? Back with another one from Myfirstwig. They of course hooked me up with some goodies. We got edge control, flyaway tamer, we got wig caps, and they sent your girl a mask. You know we always need masks. So this is a collaboration with my girl, my YouTube cousin, Miss Khrissy. She is so awesome. I just love her channel and all the charisma she has and all the personality that she brings to her wig reviews. It's so entertaining. Listen, so when you're finished watching this video, please head over to her channel and check her out. This is the Yaki straight wig. Maybe I should have wore, a different color shirt. I just wasn't thinking. But anyways, this is 20 inches. Of course, it's Yaki straight and it's HD lace. Look at that. It's about to disappear. I'm so excited for this. And this is the inside of what the cap looks like. It does have a pre-plucked hairline and it does have an adjustable elastic band, so you can size it up how you need to size it up. So first I'm going to see how it fits on me. I do have a number 2 cap size from them. It also comes in a number 1 as well if you have a smaller head. It fit pretty good, but I did have some issues with the fit on the edges. On the sides, so I put it on the last notch to see if that would give me a little more space, and it was a little bit better, but I was still running into some issues. So what I did was go ahead and take my wig off and flatten my hair down some more because it was a little bit puffy at the time. So I put some water in it so I could slick it down even more so it give me more room. If your hair is like braided down or really slicked down, I would think you probably wouldn't have that many issues with the sizing, because once I did this, the wig fit a whole lot better. So putting the wig back on, I decided to leave the elastic bands undone so that way I could have more space to get the wig past my edges. It did pretty much cover me. I did have some of my edges poking out on the sides just a tad, but not like the way we saw in the beginning. And the wig also does come with pre-done baby hair. They're longer, so you can adjust them to how you want them to be, but they are there. This is the hairline, completely untouched if you do nothing to it. It looks good, but I did pluck at it just a little bit so it would look like, it's coming out my pores once I put this on. When you make that front hairline kind of wispy and it's not just straight, even though you might have a pre-plucked hairline, it looks a whole lot more like it's coming out your scalp when you put it on. I hope that made sense. It made sense in my head, but I feel like that got a little gibberishy. The hair does come already straight, but because it was in the packaging, you're gonna get some bend in the hair because it was folded. So I'm taking my flat iron through it just to press the hair back out and have it all going straight again. You don't have to do small sections, you can do larger sections, but I just want it to be all sleek straight. I just love how natural this texture look. It's really giving like you went to the salon and got your real hair flat ironed or silk pressed, whatever you want to call it. That's really what this texture is giving. It's like the perfect mixture of sleek and a kinkier, yakier texture. They did a really good job on this texture. It looks so realistic. Wait till you see the end. This is the Malaysian hair. The name is ALEXIS, and it is 130% density. I mentioned I'm wearing the cap 2 size, and it is 20 inches. I did not have to say "and" like that. Myfirstwig also sent me the wig kit with this unit, and that is where I got the clips I have in the hair from. I am using my wax stick at the top to help me get this nice and flat, okay? And then I'm using my hot comb after that to, again, help me get this nice and flat and just set in place. We want this to look good. Round of applause for how natural this wig is looking. Do y'all see this lace? If it wasn't coming past my eyebrows, you couldn't even tell it was there. This looks amazing. And that hairline, on point. I mean, yeah, I plucked it a little bit, but I gotta give Myfirstwig most of the credit for that. I only plucked for a couple minutes. Anyways, so I'm installing this with my hairspray, the Got to Be Glued holding spray. I'm running out, so I need to get something new real quick, but it got me through this install. And that is the only thing I used for this one. I did go with the over the lace method for this one just because I wanted to be able to pull at the lace with this wig being a little bit on the snug side for me. Felt warm on a cold night, how we get you when you least expect it, and you can't reject it. So of course, you know, I use my elastic band to melt this lace down. That is one of my favorite things to melt down my lace with. It just gets it right every time. And then I let it sit for a while, just a few minutes or so, to let it get dry, you know, kind of air dried before I cut the lace off. Oh, y'all, I'm already hyped for this wig. Like, this hairline just looks so realistic. Like, this hair is just so on point. I love the texture, love the hairline. Like, I am just feeling this wig. I'm jaggedly cutting off the lace, as y'all know I like to do. If you cut straight, it's not gonna look as natural as if you cut jagged with the lace. And I also waited to cut off the lace before I laid the sides. I do that because, well, it's a little tight on the sides, obviously, but I usually have trouble with my sides anyway, so I like to give them a little extra TLC. I didn't pull out the blow dryer until after I cut off the lace, so it was a little less work for me. And then after I finished drying the lace, I cleaned off the hairline with a pad with a little bit of like rubbing alcohol on it. Now, even though y'all saw me style this on my mannequin head, I still did my touch-ups on my head because, you know, my head and the mannequin head, they're similar, but they're not quite the same. So you still gonna have to do some certain things on your head. Then I also took a little bit of foundation and I just put it in my part just to brighten it up a little bit. This is definitely a wig you do not have to have baby hair with. But if you want to add a little bit, you can. I did add 2 little pieces of baby hair on the sides for me. I've been into that lately if you've been watching my videos. But let me tell y'all how flawlessly and easy this was to add. Usually I have trouble adding baby hair. This was like literally one try and I got it together. I didn't even have to really cut much out to make it seem like I had it together a little more than I actually had it together. Like I actually had it together. I used my Myfirstwig edge control to kind of seal the baby hair in place because with mousse alone, you do have to like dry it so it'll stay in place, but I didn't want to like do all that. So I used some edge control because it'll stay in place for a while. So I did my little finishing touches, just making sure everything is good and in place and doing what it needs to do. I felt like that side was raised a little bit higher than the other side, so I went back and flattened it down a little more with my hot comb. But yeah, I'm just doing my little finishing touches. I used my hairspray to kind of push my edges back a little more. I feel like when you push the edges back, it looks like it's coming out your scalp more. Like, look at this wig. Do y'all see this? It looks amazing. So natural, so realistic. What wig is coming straight out the scalp? You can't tell me otherwise. Like, for real, for real. I changed my top so y'all can see what it looked like without me having a black shirt on. I know that's really annoying for some people, but I just was not thinking about it. But this is what it looks like. I am loving this wig. I've been wearing it for days. Like, this is a good one, y'all. You will not regret it. If you are interested, details will be down below in the description box. Do not forget to check out my girl Miss Khrissy's channel after you watch this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.